Oh my god! Go eat. No? Alright. Go eat. Go eat. No? Alright, go eat. Girl, she's not gonna give it. Her ass really ate it. Good girl.
You, Mommy's got you. It's all right.
Okay, muévete. Hendrix, come here. Come here. What happened?
Why is it spicy?
You gotta lay it down.
You're a jerk. You're ruining my plan.
Your checking account available balance is $12,617,290.56.
So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman! Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Boop, boop.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I could have asked for a pup cup. Oh my goodness.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
Don't step on my back. Oh.